No. No. Yes. No. Baby. Help. G-Tech. Ayoko na ng G-Tech. Ilang beses na ako bumili. Lagi namabagsak. Bakit mga ganitong bot hindi ko mabagsak mo? Pero ako mga G-Tech. Everything. Kada bili, bagsak ako. Kayo hindi ka mabagsak. Kayo yung mga hindi na isira. G-Tech.
Kaya what it is, gawin all the
theories.
Practice of what we call the theory of the theory of use value, sales, just compensation, or just price.
Yeah.
Bakit parang kami business dito? Ngayon, anong nangyari ngayon ang personal? Okay, na-discuss natin si Tato. Ako pa personal, anong nangyari?
Natuto siya. Kaya
Aristotle exam.
and shine. I'll be better than
Greater such as Aristotle.
Paano dapat na in the hand of public and private?
Pero Marcos talaga.
Ano ibig sabihin?
Ganda ko. Wait nga na, magtiris muna ako dito. Patiris muna ako. Wala akong makain eh.
Pag private, the people, the industry, or maybe the business firm in the household. O paano? Sino dapat daw gumawa ng production?
Kayo po sir. Kayo
Who is the
teacher.
president sa production? The two sectors,
Yes.
the public and private. Bakit kailangan silang dalawa? Bakit hindi lang kailangan private or maybe public?
Hindi masaya. Hindi masaya pag isa lang. Nakakalungkot.
Ano ba ibig sabihin dito? We're talking about the best price. Kasi it was mentioned there na we are referring what we call the best price. Ano ba yung best price? Actually, when we're talking about reading that Plato, the first theory of Plato was the use of money. That was being what we call a capital currency as a medium of exchange. Money was used as a medium of exchange.
Papa-jacket.
Kaya ang money is
Leather.
only as a medium of exchange. Now, there should be what we call the capital currency. If you want to buy goods and service, there should be what we call a form of money. Kaya now, what is the meaning of